Road Rescue Asphalt is simple to install. Step 1. Sweep the loose debris away. One bag of Road Rescue covers 7 square feet. Step 2. Fill the pothole with Road Rescue. Road Rescue hardens when compressed, so Step 3. Drive across the patch. Native asphalt has no additives, oils, or binders. It's dry to the touch, and it usually lasts longer than the pavement around it. It forms an impenetrable patch, and it's used by the Department of Transportation. It's strong enough to pave new highways. Works on asphalt and concrete. Repair driveways and parking lots. No special tools needed, and no need to square the pothole edges. Road Rescue goes further than other products. Up to 35% more coverage per 50-pound bag. No mess, no fuss. It's okay to install during rain, snow, heat, or cold.